Are you a barbecue enthusiast or a DIY lover? Imagine combining both these worlds with this revolutionary rotating barbecue grill. Hi there, welcome to BP Nel Consulting, where innovation meets practicality. My name is Ben Nel, and today I'm thrilled to introduce our latest product design, a rotating barbecue grill, to take your barbecue to the next level. With just the push of a handle, you rotate the grill effortlessly, ensuring even cooking and making it easy to turn your steaks and chops without the hassle. Need to adjust the heat? Just use one hand and lift or lower the coals. And after the barbecue, you can remove the coal tray for easy cleaning. And the best part is, we're offering the blueprints for this amazing grill, perfect for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. The barbecue grill was designed to use readily available materials and basic tools that every DIY specialist already has in his garage. Whether you're an experienced craftsman or just a beginner, our blueprints make it easy. You will find everything you need in there, from the material cutting list to precise dimensions, ensuring your build is smooth and successful. Not only will you impress your family and friends with your DIY skills, but you will take your barbecue to the next level. So why wait? Transform your barbecue setup with our rotating barbecue grill design. Head over to our website 3ddfm.com to get your blueprints today and start building the barbecue grill of your dreams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more innovative blueprints from BP Nel Consulting. Happy grilling.